Welcome to Amaya channel. Today I'm going to solve questions of relation and function for class 12th. There are some very important questions. It is given in NCERT book and it is very important for children. So without wasting time, let's start the question. First question is, okay, relation are on set of A. So first what you have to do, how to attempt this question. Listen, first what you are going to do in the solution section, first you explain about A. That is, A is a set and its Cartesian only will be containing those elements which will be present inside relation. Okay, that means you are going to select elements of relation from A cross A. Okay, and A element is A elements are exactly given as 1 to 13, 14. Fine. See, the most important part here is A cross A will be exactly coming using this A set, fine, and from this you are going to pick relation. Now it is very important to see what relation it is given. Now relation R is given as x comma y. So this element x comma y must be belonging to R such that condition is 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y must belongs to A. That means here whatever, see, you have to put value of x and y from A. You have to put value of x and y from A so that it will make 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay, I repeat, you have to find x and y from A so that it x and y from A so that it will make the equation equal to 0. Okay, so first what you are going to do, we will use a rough column and we will write everything about it. So first start with x is equal to 1. So in LHS, you see when x you are putting 1, it will become 3 into 1 minus y equal to 0. So definitely 3 will be equal to y. So y value will become equal to 3. Y value will be, that means relation will become 1 comma 3. Next is when x will be equal to 2. The moment you will put x is equal to 2, now it will become 3 into 2 minus y equal to 0. So y will be equal to 6. Y will be equal to 6. So note down here, second one, y will be equal to 6. So when x will be equal to 2, y will be equal to 6. Next, when x will be equal to 3, y will be equal to 9. When x will be equal to 4, y will be equal to 12. Similarly, I'm telling why, because the moment you will put x is equal to 4, 4 3s are 12. So y will ultimately become 12. When x will be equal to 5, so 5 3s are 15. Then what will be the value of y? Y will become 15 and 15 is not present there. So we cannot take x value that. So we cannot take x value that one. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep till this part will not be coming. We are going to keep it till this much only. X is equal to 4. Fine. So now what we are going to do is we will check, is it reflexive, symmetric and transitive. It is very important that reflexive, symmetric, transitive, that is RST is 100% coming from relation itself. It is just like once you will be having a relation, that relation only will be fulfilling reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let's see reflexive, symmetric and transitive is fulfilled here or not. So now first we will check for reflexivity. Just 1 minute, I press something else. Okay, so we will start with reflexivity. We will start with reflexivity. We will write, since all these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, all this till 14 belongs to A. Okay, all these are present inside A. Then Okay, then one very important condition is 1 comma 1 must belongs to R, 2 comma 2 must belongs to R, but here none of this is present. Okay, so here 1 comma 1 must belongs to R, 2 comma 2 2 comma 2 must belongs to R. Okay, so but are they exactly belonging? No. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 is not belonging here. So how to write this one exactly? So first I explained it that these are not present inside it, but we cannot write like this na. We have to represent it nicely. So we have to say that since see 1 2 3 4 element is present inside, so here 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R, and 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Okay, but for reflexivity, any A belonging to A must have A comma A belongs to R. Hence, R is not reflexive on A. Because here 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 that should be present inside it, but actually it is not present inside it. Since it is not present inside it, so for any means for any element present inside A, none will be satisfying this condition, so it will 100% be not reflexive. Now let's check about symmetric. So symmetric condition also we know R is equal to 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 2. So we will write this one for symmetry. What you are going to write for symmetric condition? We will write here directly. We will write one very important point, because for symmetry also here we will write directly, since 1 2 3 4 till 14 will be belonging to A, but 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Okay, 3 comma 9 belongs to 1 comma 3 belongs to R, then 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Because symmetry condition is A comma B if belonging to R, then B comma A must belongs to R. Also for 2 comma 6 also 2 comma 6 is belonging to R, but 6 comma 2 is not inside it. Also 2 comma 6 belongs to R, but 6 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Okay, 2 comma 6 belongs to R, but 6 comma 2 does not belongs to R. So these are conditions. So since both of it is not present inside, because of that it is not reflexive. Because of that it is not reflexive and symmetric. So hence we will write, hence R is not symmetric on A. R is not symmetric on A. Why R is not symmetric on A? Since, or for any AB belongs to A comma B is belonging to R, but B comma A is not belonging to R. Understood? Why? Because I wrote the statement in the final form that R is not symmetric on A for any AB belongs to A, because see, Previous one you have seen now 1 comma 2 is present inside it, so 2 comma 1 must be present inside it. But here 1 comma 2 is present, but 2 comma 1 is not present. So here 1 comma 3 is present, but 3 comma 1 is not present. So that's why in the final statement I've explained it that a comma b, for general, if any a comma b is present inside R, then b comma a is not present inside it. So definitely that is not symmetric. Now let's check for transitivity. For transitivity also you see one thing, here 1 comma 3 is there and 3 comma 9 is there, but which one is missing? Which one is missing? 1 comma 9 is missing. I repeat, 1 comma 3 is there, 3 comma 9 is there, but 1 comma 9 is missing inside it. So we will check about transitivity. For transitivity also we can write, for transitivity we can say here 1, 2, 3, 4, all till 14 element is belonging to A. Okay. Now 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Also 3 comma 9 belongs to R. But 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. 1 comma 3 belongs to R. 3 comma 9 belongs to R. But 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. Hence R is not transitive on A. So here what we have seen is back to back, R is neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. For reflexive, what you need? For reflexive, you need AA, BB, CC, DD, EE. So here nothing is there. For transitive, what you need? AB, BC, then AC. It is also not there. For symmetry, what you need? AB, BA. So here 1, 3 is there, but 3, 1 is not there. And none of the element is exactly reflexive. So that's why none of the 3 is satisfied here. Now let's check for next. Question is, R is a set of natural, R is a relation on the set of, here also you have to check RST. So before solving the question, I have told you that here also you have to check RST. It is telling that a set of natural number is there, and from there only n cross n means Cartesian product of n cross n, from there only you have to find relation, and the condition of relation is also given. So let's see what condition of relation is given. First we will see, so first what we will do is, first we will see relation itself. Relation given is that xy is any element which is belonging to R such that y equal to x plus 5 and x is less equals 4. So here condition is कि from the set of natural number, if you are going to take x must be less than 4. Okay, so x must be less than 4 means what? So let's see, but first we will see set of natural number. So here n is equal to set of natural numbers till positive infinity, but it is given that x must be less than 4. So x can be either 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so let's see the relation. R is equal to, here x element I'm writing, we have to find y 2 and x can be 3. Now let's find the value of y. So look here, condition given is y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, when x will be 1, y will be equal to 6. 1 plus 5, 6. When x will be 2, y will be equal to 7. When x will be 3, y will be equal to 8. Okay, so x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. Okay, so now these are the relations. Now by seeing itself you can say that none of means here none of the element is reflexive, none of the element is symmetric, none of the element is transitive. The reason behind, you itself will say that auntie none of it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now we will check, but we have to check and we have to say na. So reflexivity. So for reflexivity, let A, B belongs to set of natural number. Okay. Now, for for reflexivity, A comma A must belongs to R for A belongs to set of natural number. But here A comma A does not belongs to R for any A belongs to natural number. So in general, I have told for reflexivity A comma A belongs to R, but here none means none of the element is AA, BB, CC, DD, E, FF. This one you are needing, but none of them is like this. It is 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Okay. So hence R is not reflexive on N. Okay. Next, symmetry. So for symmetric condition, what you have to write? Symmetric relation, what you have to write? For reflexivity I wrote. For symmetric relation, what you write? You are going to write let AB belongs to R. So here let 1, 2, 3, 4 set of natural number. It is totally up to you how you are representing. Either you can represent it by variable, or you can take the element of natural number or directly prove it. But here what I am feeling is I should take element and directly prove it. The reason behind is it is easy to show that 1 comma 6 is present inside, but 6 comma 1 is not present inside. Okay, so here 1 comma 6 belongs to relation, but 6 comma 1 does not belongs to relation. Okay, so here 1 comma 6 is inside, but 6 comma 1 is not inside. So what we will write? Since in symmetric relation, if AB belongs to R, then BA must belongs to R. For all AB belongs to set of natural number. Hence, R is not symmetric on N. Okay, so here R is not symmetric on N. Now let's check beta transitivity. Here transitivity will also not be satisfied. You see here 1, 6 is there. Then 6, with 6 no relation is there present inside. So with 6 no relation is present inside. Because of that it is not at all transitive. So we will write transitivity. Here we will write 1, 6, whichever is present inside. So we will write ABC general. ABC belongs to set of natural number. Here AB belongs to relation, but neither BC belongs to R nor AB belongs to R. Means now in general we have represented by taking ABC, because all the elements are only existing one time. 1 comma 6, 2 comma, like that it is coming, everything is coming only one time. So only AB is there, but BC and AC is not there. Hence for all ABC belongs to set of natural number. Hence R is not transitive on N. So exactly what we have seen here is all the three is not satisfied. You see the previous one here, R is exactly 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 missing. So it is not reflexive. Then 1, 2 is there. Sorry, 1, 6 is there, but 6, 1 is not there. 2, 7 is there. Then opposite of 2, 7, 7, 2 is not there. 3, 8 is there, but opposite of 3, 8, 8, 3 is not there. The next one, you see for transitivity, AB, only one element is there. With B, no connection given. With AC, sorry, last one, AC is also not present inside. So since AC is not also present inside, so AB, BC and AC. So since AC is also not present inside, it will not be considered as transitive relation. So in the next video, I'm going to solve some more questions. I'm keeping it till here. Please practice these type of questions. It is coming in NCERT. It is there in NCERT book, and also these type of questions are coming in CBSE exam. Bye for now. If you like my video, please subscribe my video, share my video, and please don't forget to press the bell icon.